Hey all, Russ here. Good morning. Welcome to rainy Oceanside. It rained all night long. Thank goodness got to go down to the pier yesterday. Got that film. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm going to be heading north. This is the Oceanside Elks. Great Lodge. Probably the worst RV host I ever ran into in my life. My goodness. Story for another day. Alright, let's head north. I'm real close to Interstate 5. I'm going to go up to Dana Point, which is right along the Pacific Coast Highway. Yeah, I think they're about 25 miles up the road. So we're going to zigzag up through here and get on I-5. Okay, here we are. I'm going to get on 5 north. I'm going to turn the camera off. No sense watching the wipers go. So once I get up closer to Pacific Coast Highway, I'll be back. Hey, check it out. Blue sky. It rained here a little bit. You can still see some wet pavement, but looks like we got a break in it. Thank goodness. And guess what? Right here, let me get over our lane. This is the exit for Highway 1. Pacific Coast Highway. There we go. Alright, we'll cut up through. I know it's slow going. I drove through here, my goodness. Such a long time ago, I don't really remember it. Really don't. I'm sure it's all changed. This is a very wealthy area. I mean, this is very high-end real estate that we're going to go through here. So, first town should be, I think, Dana Point. Hopefully we can find a little beach. That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to do a live stream today on Facebook with my live view device. My first test. That'll be on RVerTV Facebook. So, kind of cool tunnels that's going back underneath 5. Look how wide that is, my goodness. Okay, we're heading in, I think, to Dana Point. Hey, welcome to Dana Point. Quaint town. Ocean's to the left. The camera's not showing it, but I can see it. What's fuel? $3.89 has been the average here for fuel. Once in a while you see it for $4, but I haven't seen much over $4, which is good. Okay, I'll get through town here. Hopefully we'll see a sign that says beach. That's what we want. Somewhere along in here. Okay, there was a sign that says coastal access to the left. So let's go left. Check it out. Okay, I see a park up here, but we're way above the ocean, so we'll have to see. There's a parking lot up here, it looks like. We'll pull in, check her out. This is like a town park. There's the ocean. Man, everything's so groomed and pretty here. They can afford it. Alright, looks like we've got some front row parking. It's way early in the morning. It's only not even 8 o'clock yet. We're early birds today. Okay. There's a good park up here. Park place. Okay, I don't think this is what I want. But while we're here, let's get out and check it out. Go take a quick walk. The van looked cool with all the decals. I like it. Colorful and important. Yep, look, oh my goodness, look at those homes. Wow. Holy moly. Yeah, that's a different zip code down there with dollar signs. Wow. Holy. It's purple. I think they're gardenias that smell. They are just perfumed. The smell here, I wish you could smell it. It's just nice. Really fresh. Wow. Those are beautiful. So's those homes. Nope, this ain't. We're gonna have to go down the road. Look at them things, huh? Aren't those pretty? Anyone to let me park in their driveway down there? Not. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna go find me a poor man's beach. Man, look at them places, huh? That's nice. Alright, let's get out of here. So we'll forget about Dana Point, and then we're gonna head on down, or up, excuse me. We're heading north on Highway 1. We'll get there soon. Google Maps, before we left back there's a beach right up the road here that looks perfect, called Aliso Park. It's right there on the left. Yep, sandy beach. We can film there. This is what I was looking for. Okay. Cool. Hardly anyone here. Look at the blue sky though. Gonna get lucky. No rain. Pavement looks a little damp. Probably rained earlier. I think today's the last day this front's coming through. It'll start warming up and clearing up. Then you get the fog. Yeah, this is perfect. Walk right down to the water. Great. Okay, I think I'll park back here in the back. And we'll get out and we'll walk around a little bit. You gotta pay to stay here too. Probably like $1 an hour. Most of these places are like $1 an hour. There it is, Aliso Beach Park. County of Orange harbors, beaches, and parks. Cool. Bet that concrete sign costs more than a new motorhome. Boy, there's more gardenias here. I can sure smell them. They're blooming. Alright, let's head for the van. Switch cameras and we'll go down the beach. The solar in that thing's been perfect. I got batteries charging, everything going in the van all the time. Solar's just keeping up. I have not run the batteries down too low yet. Perfect. So the van is definitely working out. Here we go. I'm going to do a live stream down here. It'll be broadcast on RVerTV Facebook. If you haven't got over to Facebook, if you use Facebook, I'll put it that way, be sure to look up RVerTV and hit the like. Follow it. A lot of things get posted there. I'm not big on Twitter. Some things go on Twitter, but I don't have much on it. Look at the water. Okay, Zen time. We gotta listen to it. Bigger waves here than Oceanside. I'm thinking we're about 40 miles north up the coast from where Oceanside was. A couple kids out there with surfboards. Look at them rocks out there. This is absolutely perfect. I only got 2 bars on my cell phone, but that device you stream with multiple cellular connections. So hopefully it works. Look at that big wave coming in right there. Head back up to the van, get ready. Probably try to go live stream here in an hour or so. Sand's heavy. It's hard to walk in this stuff. No one's here though. I probably fill up later. Heck, it's a weekend. It's gotta fill up. Very pretty here though. Lifeguard shack. I seen a couple of them running around a pickup truck. Oh, parking was $3 here. I bought 3 hours. That's all I'm going to be here for. I kind of like being way out there in the back. There's the live view encoder. It'll bond cellular and stream straight to Facebook, YouTube, all kinds of things. I'm going to be playing with that all summer. Here's the 2 modems that the company sent me to use. I'm going to do a whole video on all this stuff here soon. Here's one of my jetpacks. So I'll have 3 cellular devices hooked to that one unit. Nice. Then I'm going to use my Canon camera. I brought that on the trip. That's a very good quality camera. What time is it? We are at 9 o'clock. And I think it's time to make a cup of coffee. What do you think? Check this out. I got water heating up. Huh? I'm gonna make me a nice cup of coffee. Yay! Alright. This is Russ. I'm gonna sign off. Hope everyone has a great day. from Dana Point. I'm going to enjoy this cup of coffee, get ready, go shoot a live stream, and on to the next. Talk soon.